Rainfall and chaos. Several communities and roadways in western Jamaica were left flooded today after heavy rains lashed the island. Up until press time, the National Works Agency NWA was urging motorists to be careful while traversing some areas. Ramarda Lyons reports.
A few hours of rain Thursday left some roads in western Jamaica looking like water parks. Motorists like this one brave forceful gushing floodwaters. In Ocean Point, Hanover, the community's name took on meaning. Several cars sit in water, the driveway and the land space unrecognizable. Some residents confined to higher grounds. In Negril, Westmoreland, similar flooding.
The infrastructure in Negril needs to be improved. And why do I say that? Look, population growth, climate change, new housing development, just the expansion of Negril, the old set of pipes and drains and everything can't keep up with what's happening in Negril as we speak.
Vehicles move behind him freely. Up the road, it's a different scene. One resident shudders at the thought of more rain.
The land is so saturated right now that if we get similar rainfall tomorrow, half of Negril will be underwater.
And I just want to kindly ask, don't wait to send the drain cleaning money come to clean the drains in Negril. I am kindly asking that the drain cleaning money comes earlier. I just want to say also that for last year, I've received $3 million to clean the drains in western Westmoreland. And just let me say to you, there's over 500 drains in western Westmoreland, and the majority of drains, it will only take $3 million to clean each one.
Elsewhere, this schoolboy is guided through water that's up to his waist. And for this biker, revving interrupted. Janelle Ricketts, Community Relations Officer at the National Works Agency's Western Office, says several roadways in western Jamaica have been affected.
So in the parish of Hanover, we have this section in the vicinity of the Point community that is now heavily inundated. And for these corridors, we advise persons to be mindful that there will be significant delays as persons are not able to traverse those sections freely. In the parish of Westmoreland, we have, for example, the Norman Manley Boulevard that is now impacted by inundation. We advise commuters to exercise due care when traversing these and other sections of the roadway.
Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.